With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The following metal can replace zinc from zinc sulfate solution. So this is your zinc. If I talk about its reduction potential, here it is zinc 2 plus gives zinc. Whose reduction potential, it is minus 0.76. And we know more is your negative potential, more is your negative reduction potential, good is your reducing agent. Now if you see the reduction potential value of your copper, it is from copper 2 plus to copper, it gives 0.33 volt, and from Hg 2 plus reduction value, it is 0.85 V. Then Fe2 plus 2 electron gives minus 0.44 volt, and here it is aluminium 3 plus except 3 electrons, it is minus 1.66 volt. So here if you see it, that which has the most negative value of your reduction, but that is this, it means it is the, so it is a good reducing agent than your zinc. So if you also, you can say if it is a good reducing agent than your zinc, it has a tendency to replace your zinc, because it is more powerful reducing agent than this. The more powerful can reduce, the more powerful can displace the less powerful person. So you can relate it with that it is more powerful reducing agent than this. In respect to your reducing agent capacity, the more powerful can reduce the less powerful one. So also you can see from your electrochemical series that your position of the upper one, that is your aluminium, and then we are having your Fe, and then we are having our copper, and then we are having our zinc, then we are having over here Hg. Now if you see it over here, the upper elements are able to displace the lower one. So aluminium is at the top, it means it has the tendency to displace the rest of your element which are placed lower in your electrochemical series. From here we can get to know that zinc is replaced by your aluminium. So D option will be your right answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.